Now we will discuss about the one of the Java basic interview question to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. Write the main method, take the scanner class, to import the scanner class, press Ctrl Shift O and press the enter, which takes the java.util.scanner because the scanner class is present in the java.util.scanner. Click on finish. Take sc dot next line, press Ctrl 1, assign statement to the new local variable, take it as unreverse, iterate it through for loop, in the for loop take I is equal to unreverse dot length of the string -1 I greater than or equal to 0 and I minus minus. Take the reverse variable to store the given reverse string, reverse plus unreverse dot caret of I. To add the given reverse string, for that we have to take string reverse equal to this. Take the if statement and compare both the unreverse and reverse strings. Unreverse dot equals to reverse. If the given string satisfies that the given string is palindrome or not, write sysout given string is palindrome, else given string is not palindrome. Press Ctrl Shift F to format and take the and write the sysout here. Enter the string, save it and press Ctrl F11. Enter the string, for example Java given string is not palindrome, and run it again. Ctrl F11. For example, take this string as madam, given string is palindrome, and also we can take it as given string as static also. For that Control private static string and reverse equal to, for example Java. Press Ctrl Shift out to remove the unused imports. Iterate it over the given string equal to unreversed of length minus 1 I greater than or equal to 0 I minus reverse equal to reverse plus unreversed of char of I. Take the if condition and compare both the given strings, that is reverse and unreversed string. Unreversed dot equals to reverse system. The given string is palindrome else the given string is not palindrome. Press Ctrl Shift format and save it and run it. The given string is not palindrome because Java, when we reverse the string, it is not palindrome. Okay, that's it.